I got this set of glass bud vases by ComSaf, set of 6. I wanted to show you how they arrived because they actually did a really good job packaging these things. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Comes in this box, pretty well done here in styrofoam. Really good job packaging these things and really nice styrofoam. They did a great job. I got the set of 6 and this brown color. Man, these are some really decent quality bottles. Really thick glass. It's got all kinds of like cool designs and cuts and grooves and stuff in here on the bottle. Got a cool design on the outside. It's got a nice sized mouth on the inside. That should be, no problem for anything you want to display in here flower wise. So it's about 2.5 inches wide by about 5 inches tall. All right, we got a couple different settings for you here. Thanksgiving type setting. Look at that. And then we move over here and we have a little Christmas setting. Got little bottles in there and some Christmas guys. And setting here. It looks pretty cool. A little vintagey feel to it. And these also come in 4 different colors. If you wanted to, you could design all kinds of cool things with this. Something like this would be perfect for obviously putting flowers in, artificial or otherwise, or whatever you want. Arts and crafts stuff. Perfect size for sitting on a windowsill, Look behind me. Sitting on a windowsill. This would be great for like a fireplace mantle or just shelves you have around the house. Anywhere really be great in a table setting. But yeah, really good, decent quality product. Feels great. They're all identical. There's no flaws on here, no chips, no nothing. Really looks good. Something like this would obviously be a great gift for Christmas time or anything, housewarming gift. This would be a great housewarming gift. Somebody moves in, give them something cool to decorate their house with. It's a little bit unique. So if you're looking for a nice set of vintagey glass bud vases that are high quality, feel very durable, check out these ones by ComSaf. Check them out.